Hello everyone, welcome back to Drawing with me. Shall we learn how to draw a Pikachu today? Go grab your pencils and we will get started. We will start by drawing the cap first today. Draw two slightly curved lines, a distance away from each other. Second line slightly higher than the first. Next, join them up together with two curved lines. Continue by drawing a rounded tick up. Bend slightly and join at the end. Finish off by adding a line towards the end of the cap. We shall proceed to draw its face next. From where we ended the cap, draw a small curved line first. Make a small tiny bend here, and continue with a much rounder curve down for the chubby cheek. Next, at the other end of the cap, draw a big curve to complete the outline of its face. And we can start to work on the eyes now. Draw an oval first, followed by a smaller oval close to the top corner, and a small circle at the bottom corner. You can proceed to shade the remaining area to create a sweet-looking eyes. Repeat the same steps at a higher position this time. Next, draw a small black dot below between the eyes to represent its nose. And we shall proceed to draw its mouth. Draw a rounded W, followed by a rounded V below, like so. Let us add in a circle on one side of its cheek. And proceed with half a circle on the other side. Moving on, we shall work on Pikachu's ears. Roughly from the middle of the cap, draw a small line up. Make a rounded corner, then draw a rounded line to join at the bill of the cap. And we can draw a semicircle inside the ear, near the top, and shade it. Repeat with a slightly tilted one on the other side. Now that we are completed with the ears, let us proceed to its body next. Near where we ended the face, draw a just slightly curved line down. Then at a small distance apart, draw a small curved line, curving inward. And we can add in the paw using 3 tiny semicircles. Then draw in its other front leg, using an almost straight line, followed by a curved line headed towards it. Close up the gap in between like what we did just now. Then add in the body with a big round curve, from the end of its face to its front leg. And we shall continue to add in the hind legs. Slightly above the middle of the front leg, draw a V, followed by a round. Then a straight line to meet at almost the end of the paw. Next, draw a big inverted U for its other leg, and add in a tiny line in between the paw to complete. We are almost there now. Let's add in its tail. Start at a distance away from the body, draw a line down. When nearing the body, make a V. Then proceed to join at the body, like so. Next, from the top, draw a zigzag line downwards to the body. And we are done with its tail. Let's finish off with the logo on the cap. You have learned how to draw a Pikachu now. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share and subscribe.